How to track your lost or stolen Android from any phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist. And you know, if your phone is stolen, you can track it, lock it or wipe it completely from an Android or iPhone, a laptop, even a friend's phone you just borrowed. Here is exactly how to do it. On any browser, on any device, just go to google.com/android/find. And that is it. You don't need an app for it. This takes you to Find Hub, Google's official tracking tool. Sign in with the same Google account that is signed in on your lost phone. This part is very important. It has to be the exact same account because this is what links you to the device. Once you are signed in, you will see your lost device listed with its location shown right there on the map. If the phone is online, you get its live location updating in real time. If it is offline or turned off, you still see its last known location before it went dark. Newer Android phones can sometimes even be located briefly after the battery dies. Now you have three options here. Play sound to make the phone ring at full volume even if it is silent. Great if it is just lost somewhere nearby. Second option is mark as lost. This feature locks it remotely and can display a message on the screen like a contact number. Third one is factory reset device. This factory resets the phone completely. Use this only as a last resort if you believe it is stolen and cannot be recovered. Once you erase it, you cannot track it anymore. Just one web tool, any device, and you will get full control over your lost phone. Just go set this up now before you actually need it. Make sure you are signed into your Google account and location is turned on. Now tell me, has this ever happened to you? Drop your comments in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more such information. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.